How do I create polls and quizzes with Canva? I create a presentation design. I click on Elements and select Polls and Quizzes. I click on the one I choose to add it to my page. I can change the theme color by clicking here. I undo the changes and keep the original colors. I click on the page to change its background's color. Now I select the poll and click on Edit to change the text. I write the poll's header and options. Once I've finished, I click on Share. I select Public View Link. I click on Create Public View Link. I click on Copy Link. This link can be sent to my mailing list or posted on my social media. Here's what it looks like. When people respond to the poll, it's automatically updated in Canva. I know how many people answered and what they answered. This is how you can create polls and quizzes easily in Canva.